Okay, Milwaukee cordless planer. Oh, I wonder that's not running. Jesus stuff. There's something else wrong there. Don't know if that's by design or what. That's very tight. This is definitely the tight bit. The motor. There we go. That came out easy. It's a handy wee job actually. Now, here's a wee bit short. We can deal with that. Now, this hasn't done much work. There's not much wear in these brushes. Like all Milwaukee's. Nice powerful magnets. So that one's okay. So it's this other one that's the problem. Let's take it to the vise. So this wee pulley is just screwed on. That wee screwdriver end is just part of the armature. It's not a screw holding this on. Same as a standard one. Armature looks perfect. Nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that bearing. Problem is just this one. Get that out and change it. That's that. What have we got? Let's say 6,000 bearing. That's more than likely failed due to dust, because this is a metal shielded bearing. Better for speed, not as good for dust. Not really the best choice for a planer, as they do deal with a lot of dust. So rubber seals a wee bit better. Sticking an NSK bearing here should last a bit longer. Now, this is still hot, that's why she's sliding on. It's not that slack a fit. It's actually quite a tight fit. Let that cool down. So she holds the bearing. I'm just going to give us a wee clean out while I'm at it. That's that a bit cleaner. There's nothing wrong with that bearing as well. That one's fine. That's a rubber seal as well. So that one was fine. I'll just stick her back together again now. away. Just to make sure. Oh, it was right. Just in case we have any accidents again. Yeah, they're tight. One Milwaukee planer, up and running again. That is the M18 BP. Sweet.